Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Monday 29 September 2025, Nifty index opened negative and cascaded southwards throughout the day and broke all the immediate support levels. The index has been making lower highs, lower lows from the last 6 sessions and wiped off nearly 820 points in this period. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and closed with losses of around 240 points. It also formed a bearish candle on the weekly scale and broke its winning streak of the last 3 weeks. India VIX was up by around 6% to 11.4 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.63. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,200 to 25,000 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,500 to 24,900 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 5,564 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 5,599 crores. FII's indexed long-short ratio decreased to 14.3%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till Nifty holds below 24,700, weakness could be seen towards 24,442 marks, while hurdles have shifted lower to 24,850. Till Bank Nifty holds below 54,500, weakness could be seen towards 54,000 levels, while on the flip side, hurdle can be seen at 54,500 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in L&T, AU Bank, Ashok Leyland and Eicher Motor, Maruti, TVS Motor and Sammaan Capital, while some weakness could be seen in Biocon, IndusInd Bank, Naukri and UPL. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.